Welcome back to another session of IELTS training, and today we shall be doing writing task 1 academic. But before we proceed, I request you to subscribe to Ghazal English Lab, like and share the video to all those aspiring for the IELTS exam and help them score 7 plus band. We shall be understanding how to write a task 1 with sample, and today we shall also be learning manufacturing instant noodles. Poor joke, I know, but still yummy. On a serious note, on the screen you can see our image that is a process diagram about manufacturing instant noodles, and it is also provided with a prompt. The prompt says that the diagram below shows how instant noodles are manufactured. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So, we should know the steps to write a high scoring band task 1. We first of all we need to analyze the question. What is the question? You should identify the type of the task. From the image it is very evident that the image is showing some kind of process, so it is a process diagram. You should identify the main features of the diagram, especially stepwise. You should write an introduction and an overview. You should describe the stages in sequence. You can see in the image it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to describe all the 8 stages that is shown in the image. Use passive voice. Please don't use direct voice. Use a passive voice and linking words. And please remember the word count minimum is 150 words. So please count and write. And the time allotted to you is 20 minutes. So you have to practice a lot that you master writing task 1 within 20 minutes. What is the structure that if you follow, you can score a high band? First is the introduction, followed by overview, body paragraph 1, and body paragraph 2. Usually, candidates sum up the task 1 within one paragraph. No issue at all. But today, in this task 1, I shall be showing you how paragraph 2 can be written. It may help you understand how to sum up your task 1. So, if you understand how to write a task 1 with proper structure, you would be able to plan the content of your writing. And of course, if you write a planned writing, it is, I'm sure, you shall score very good marks. Well, what are the steps to write? As you can see from the image, that stage 1 shows that the floor storage silos, the floor is stored in the silos from the tanker that is supplying them. Then it is sent to a mixer, and the dough is mixed with water and oil. With the roller, it is converted to dough sheets. And in the stage 4, the dough is cut into strips. In the stage 5, noodle disc is uh, prepared. Stage 6, it consists of cooking and drying. So why cooking and drying? Because the process diagram is about how instant noodles are manufactured. You know, instant noodles are a product in which you can buy from any supermarket, and in that you only need to add boiling water Cover it for a few seconds, and behold, you get noodles ready to eat. So these kind of noodles are pre-cooked and dried. After cooking and drying in the on the stage 7, vegetables and spices are added, and in the last stage 8, labeling and sealing happens, and lo, it is ready to land up on the shelf of the supermarkets. Some quick tips that you need to note before starting writing, and that is, please use formal language only, no informal language. You have to follow the correct structure to obtain maximum band. An overview sentence is essential. You cannot skip writing an overview and focus on the main stages. You cannot skip any stage. Use the sequence words. You can note that there are 8 steps in the manufacturing process. So you can start it with initially, then followed by, later, after which, finally, secondly, thirdly. These are sequencing words. You give sequence to the steps. Use a variety of grammar, simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, simple compound sentence, uh, exclamatory sentence, and don't forget to use a variety of vocabulary. Please don't repeat words. Well, let us understand it with sample. So let's start with introduction. The diagram illustrates the process by which instant noodles are produced in a factory. Overall, there are 8 main stages, beginning with the storage of flour and ending with the labeling and sealing of the finished product. So, this is the introduction. This is how you can write a good introduction. Note the usage of vocabulary. Overview. At the first stage, flour is delivered from storage silos to a mixer where it is combined with water and oil. The resulting mixture passes through rollers to form sheets of dough. These sheets are then cut into strips which are subsequently shaped into noodle disc. Please note the overview, how it is prepared. Please note the overview, how it is written. Note the use of subsequently. These are the linkers. Paragraph 1. Now, each and every step is described in paragraph 1. In the following stage, the discs are cooked in oil and then dried. Once dried, they are placed into cups. At this point, vegetables and spices are added to the noodles to enhance flavor. The final stage involves labeling and sealing the cups, after which they are ready for distribution to consumer. Paragraph 1 is followed by paragraph 2. In summary, instant noodle production is a linear process that transforms flour into a packaged food product through mixing, shaping, cooking, and packaging stages. If you note, paragraph 2 is nothing but summary of introduction, overview, and paragraph 1. Now I will be showing you the full task 1. Please note, you can take a screenshot. Don't get distracted by the noodles and focus only on the text. So, the more you practice, the better you get. Practice with different tasks. Keep practicing And even I shall be coming up with many more samples of task 1 which can maybe help you score very good bands in IELTS writing task and help you gain a better band in overall IELTS exam. So stay tuned for more lessons on IELTS.